back. So today is also another requested video for Roman's cushion. It is the new Zero cushion. They have 5 shades and I got it in number 4, Beige 23, which is a calm and natural beige. The darkest shade is actually number 5, Sand. When I went to Lululand, they didn't have the sample or the cushion, so you would have to buy it online. So I got the set and it comes with the cushion as well as a mini cushion. Here, these are the size. I've actually been wanting a mini cushion just because it's just how adorable it is, but it's in the same shade, number 4, Beige 23. Really easy to carry in your purse if you just want a little bit of a touch-up throughout the day. I'm just like all over the place. Let's start with the packaging of the cushion itself first. It sort of has this yellow slash buttery color. Sort of has this semi-transparent body, and it has a PO of 12 months. So once you open it, you can use it for 12 months, aka a year. Roman's packaging is quite convenient. On the back, an empty area where you can write the date that you opened it so that you can keep track of your makeup and when it expires. It was manufactured, Luna, calm down. It was manufactured in 2022, so and it expires in 2025. So you have about 3 years, well 2 years from now before it expires. You push to open the packaging and you have the sponge, which is angled. For the mini cushion, you have light blue and the same butter yellow packaging. And then once you open, you have the sponge, which is super tiny and so cute. Really good to apply under the eyes, around the nose, around the chin as well. Really good for any retouches. It also has the same expiration date as well. A little bit information about this product. It has small powder particles that's supposed to fill in your pores and creates a smooth texture. The firm cushion sponge is also supposed to give a consistent amount of powder. It's not supposed to make your skin look cakey. It's thin, it's lightweight, and also it's supposed to be long lasting as well. It's for neutral or oily skin types, and it has a semi-matte finish. The finish is supposed to be lightweight and has a refreshing feel, and it also has an SPF of 24, which in my opinion is a little bit lower than I would like it, but yeah, it is what it is. And on the Lululand website where they have the description, it has a coverage of 4 out of 5 stars, and the lasting power is 5 out of 5 stars. Let's go ahead and get swatching. So as usual, I don't have any makeup on my face except for my eyebrows and my lips. And I've already went ahead and applied my skincare, including SPF. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply on one side of my face, starting at the center and then moving out. It is very pigmented. The sponge insert is quite firm. It does apply a little bit harsh. You see how it's creating these harsh edges. So I've applied to one side of my face. This is the original. It's covered up any redness around my nose, my chin, and covered my dark circles as well. For the shade color, it is slightly a little bit lighter, but it gives a nice brightening effect. But I definitely need to contour for sure, just so that I don't look washed out. When I first applied it, does have a little bit of a harsh edge, but it's really easy to blend out. Really easy to build up. It's a semi-matte finish. It was really pigmented on the first layer. I would say it has medium to about 90% of coverage. Really good coverage. You might need just a little bit of concealer to conceal the dark spots. It fills in my pores pretty well. It doesn't look cakey. However, this is a cushion for neutral or oily skin types. So if you do have dry skin and dry patches, you will be able to see it. My eyes are quite dry because of a skincare that I switched out, and I can see the dry patches. Right here you can see the dry patches, and here as well. Also, it's not super moisturizing. You definitely do need to follow with your skincare beforehand. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side, and then I'll talk about the rest of this product. Okay, so now I'm finished applying on both sides, and I actually did apply a lighter layer on this side. Similar finish, but it's not as smooth as this side, and it does look a little bit blotchy in some parts, like it's kind of unfinished. So the more layers you apply, the better the results, but it is going to feel a little bit heavy. However, it doesn't look cakey. I did also notice the scent while I'm applying this product. It has this floral light scent, a little bit sweet as well. It did have a semi-cooling sensation while I'm applying it on my skin. Okay, so I'm back. I just did a quick and simple makeup look. So this is the finished look. It applies pretty well. It doesn't smudge. It allows the makeup to be where you want it to go. Overall, it has an even application. Maybe it's just my personal preference, but it's not as smooth as I would like it to be. It looks a little bit grainy, maybe because I didn't blend it that well. But it sort of has that finish. Maybe a brush or a spatula is better to apply this product instead of the sponge that they give you. Overall, this cushion would be good for oily skin types. I have combination skin, so it does feel a little bit dry. The pigmentation was really impressive. It has pretty good coverage, up to 90%, and really pigmented on the first layer, so a little does go a long way. I'm gonna be wearing this all day, so I'll check in about every 2 hours to see the status. So it's been 2 hours. This is the current status. It does look like it's gotten a little bit more shiny. You can see on my cheeks here, my forehead as well, and around my eyes it's sort of worn off. Here I have a dark spot. You couldn't really see it, but now you can. It looks more natural now, blends in with my skin pretty well, maybe because it's melted a bit. I do like that. It doesn't look cakey. Some of the product on this side does seem to have worn off. I applied a light layer on this side. I'll check back in at about 2 hours. Okay, the sun is setting down. I just wanted to get a last review in. My skin doesn't feel dry. It does feel a little bit oily. I did have to blow my nose a bit, and I ate dinner, so it did rub off around my lips a little bit and around my nose area. You might have to touch up a little here and there. I forgot to do a mass transfer test, so I'll just do it really quick. Very minimal, however. I'm just gonna go ahead and do another one. You can see right here, it sort of blotted some of the product off. That's all for today's review. I hope that you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.